So here it is. I'm going to open what Preet has given me for the magic that she has made with my breast milk and her hands. So this is her card. This is her personal robe. Now I'm sorry that this has come out really late. She had given me 6 months before, but I really wanted to take a good video and express my thanks to her and my admiration for her products. So this is her note, where when you support a small business, you're actually supporting a big dream. So thank you for being an amazing client. Thank you, Preet, and I'm really proud to call myself her second client. Having a fantastic taste, and much love to Mritu. Mritu is my son, Mrityunjay Veera. So usually breast milk jewelries are made, all the pendants are made and all. So but then since I have a boy, I wanted to make something memorable for him, so that he can use it when he grows old, and I wanted it to be really useful. So we put our brains together, we put our heads together, and we were brainstorming on what all ideas that can be made, what all memories that can be made using breast milk. And me and Preet came up with this wonderful idea of a chain watch. This I had spotted it somewhere. I had long wanted one like this for myself, and now when I came to know that this can be made with breast milk memories, I was so happy. And here it is. So this is the clock, and my son's name written here, Mrityunjay Veera. And then when you open, these are made of breast milk, and without me asking, she added more beauty to it with this family tree. Now when I said that I wanted something like this, she immediately agreed to it. She learnt about it, and she made it. And the amount of determination in making this, and determination in learning how to make it, is something very commendable. And I'm really thankful, because she did not turn down my idea saying I haven't done it before, so I can't do it. She saw to it that she learned how to make it. She did it so perfectly and so beautifully that I really cherish this gift. And I am sure my son, to whom I will give this during his 8th birthday, will be very happy. Don't ask me why 8, because I feel kids grow up when they become 8. Now apart from this, she did not stop there. She gave me 2 more beautiful things that were made with my breast milk as well. This is for me. This is also for me. I'm waiting for the lockdown to get over to put it on some gold chains so that I can wear it permanently. Yeah. So this is it. Thank you so much, Preet. Guys, you should give orders with Preet. She'll somehow make your dreams come true, and it'll be very beautiful also. Thank you.